What's up, folks? Today I'm going to show you how you can install Lakka, the emulator, and yeah, it's quite simple, so just follow me and you should be totally fine. Alright, so you need to go to this website. I will link it in the description. So you need to go to this install and you need to click here, and you need to download this zip file. And when you have done that, you can extract it to your desktop, and you should have like this map. So when you've done that, you can connect your SD card to your Mac or your PC. And when you've done that, you can open up your SD card, and you should open up your folder, and you need to drag it all these folders to your SD card. Yeah, I can just replace them, and you're done. And when you've done that, you can just put into the switch, the bootloader, and I should see you there. Okay, so for some reason my Mac doesn't want to cooperate with me right now, so I gotta do it for my PC. But I forgot to mention that you will need to make a folder inside Lakka on your SD card, and you need to go to let's see, storage, and no, it's already here. So go into ROMs and downloads, and from here you can put your downloaded ROMs. I'm going to put Rayman 3 for Dolphin and the Gamecube. So I'm going to pause this video. Okay, so when it's transferred to SD card, you can eject it and insert it into your Nintendo Switch. And I shall see you there. Okay, so now you will need to boot into Lakka. So hit launch and more configurations and Lakka, and just let it boot up. Okay, so now you need to go into, let's see, user interface, and you need to go down to show advanced settings and go back, and now you need to go up and take drivers, and also go into, let's see, video, and shows Vulkan. It's quite important because the other ones really just lag, and yeah, Vulkan is pretty stable, so I would totally recommend using this one for now. And you need to go back, and if you want to play like Gamecube, so you will need to overclock your Switch a bit. And I'm usually going with, let's see, maximum performance, and also at GPU I'm going with docket stock +2. And now if I want to play, let's say, Gamecube, I need to load a core. And sometimes this one can bug out, so it will require some reboots until it gets booted up properly. So now let's see if it works for me. And I need to go into search for the ROM and downloads, and scan this directory and go back. And now here you should have like Gamecube or whatever you have. So I'm going to start this. Oh, it works perfectly. And the reason I chose the Vulkan is because you will see what a difference it makes in the gameplay right now. So yeah, I don't want to show too much because it'll be copyrighted, so I will pause. But as you can see, it works pretty good. In the settings, you can also choose to have it like full screen. But yeah, you see, like for now, it's pretty good. You need to expect